I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Capcut with the app open. Make sure you've updated the app so the search feature appears. First, tap the Home or Edit icon to see toolbar options. Once the main screen is visible, look at the top bar and menu tabs. These reveal the search area. If you're inside a project, use the back arrow to reach the template or asset browsing screen. Make sure you're on the templates or stock media page so the search field becomes available. Now you'll find the magnifying glass icon or a visible search field in templates, audio, stickers, or effects sections. Tap it. Type precise keywords or phrases, for example, transition or lofi beat, because Capcut matches terms and tags. Once you've typed, hit enter or the suggestion to see results, then use on-screen filters such as duration, popularity, or format to refine. If needed, switch tabs to apply search across different asset types and preview items before adding them to your timeline. Finish by tapping an item and choosing Add or Apply to put it into your timeline. Make sure it syncs and plays back correctly. If search returns no matches, clear Capcut's cache or confirm you're on the latest version, because outdated builds can hide features. Once done, restart the app and check your internet, since cloud-based assets require connectivity. If problems persist, toggle between tabs or rephrase your keywords. Simple synonyms often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.